Python editor facilitates the automation of development activities via the script engine integrated in CODESYS using sophisticated IntelliSense technology. The editor integrates the common objects from the script engine to access the CODESYS functionalities. With the IntelliSense technology, the methods of the main objects are listed with their functional specifications and return types according to the API reference documentation. Any syntax or execution errors and general CODESYS messages are displayed in the corresponding output list. After programming the automation tasks, save the script on the PC to continue working on during the next session or to make available for the execution. In this way, the device configuration of the CODESYS project is built with minimal user interaction, whereas many other use cases exist regarding the automation potential. The Python editor is using an annual subscription license model. If you want to try the editor out, select the trial version for 33 days without any limitations. Therefore, simply download the CODESYS package from the site, accept the license agreement and, most importantly, to receive a license key, you have to add the Python editor to the shopping cart and check out. Afterwards, you will receive an email with the license key, which you can also find in your order history of the CODESYS store. For the license activation and the installation of the Python editor, start the CODESYS development system. In the License Manager, select your workstation as target and preferably the soft container as container. Then, install the license by activating it with a generated key from your order. In the Package Manager, select the Python editor package for CODESYS with the Open File dialog and start the installation. If the process has successfully finished, restart the CODESYS development system. Afterwards, you'll find the Python editor integration in the menu bar and can start to program scripts by opening the editor.